Feel good about insulating your home with EcoCell blanket insulation. Manufactured by Cellulose Material Solutions, EcoCell is industry-first cellulose-based blanket insulation. That's right, EcoCell is the only product of its type available and is one of the greenest and safest solutions on the marketplace.
Made from recycled and renewable fibers, the majority being recycled newspaper. EcoCell blankets have superior thermal and noise absorption properties. A quieter, more comfortable home is achieved with EcoCell blankets.
Homeowners choose EcoCell because it's Class A fire-rated, mold-resistant, and saves money on energy bills.
EcoCell blankets are commonly used to insulate basements and crawl spaces and meet building code standards for basement insulation.
EcoCell blankets can be left exposed or painted and do not have to be covered with drywall like other insulation materials, which saves you money. Another green reason to choose EcoCell.
Plus, the material does not itch or irritate skin like other insulation products, so it's safe and easy to handle.
Choosing EcoCell blankets for your home is not only the superior choice, but the green choice.
Contact Cellulose Material Solutions today for more information.